We're here on the landing of the second floor of Collegetown Court. The elevator is right here to our right. We're going to go into apartment number 205. It's next to the elevator. So we've come up from the first floor. We are above the entrance to the building, and this is a 5-bedroom apartment. Let's go on in. So you can see we're entering through the kitchen space. This is a renovated kitchen. So take a look. We think these kitchens came out great. We've got that updated refrigerator, there's the microwave, the dishwasher is over the sink, the stove and oven. We have those nice gray cabinets and drawers and nice backsplash, and I think that new light fixture up there is nice as well. So we've renovated the kitchen in this apartment. Let's take a look at the living room space. I like the open feel of the living room here in this apartment especially. There are some great options for moving the furniture around. You can see it's pretty wide open. So we have this high table for dining here and some bar stools. That table would also look great over here against this wall. You can move things around wherever you like within the apartment. Also in the living room we have some seating areas, some small tables. There's a TV that does come with the apartment. The living room is facing to the east, so of course that will be morning sun. So that's brighter in the morning. We're right in the middle of Collegetown, so there's always going to be buildings around us. As we go around through to the rest of the apartment, we'll take a look at the bathroom, and then we'll see the bedrooms. Okay, so our bathroom is over here on the left. This is like the bathrooms we've seen in most of the other apartments. So we have that shower with the sliding door. There's the vanity that does open. I like that there is that shelf above the toilet, and there's a medicine cabinet over on the wall. There's also some towel racks. As we go past the bathroom, we have another fun feature in this apartment. We have an extra closet, good for some overflow, luggage items, boxes, things like that. So that's there in the apartment in the 05 style. Okay, let's go through the bedrooms. We're going to start in room 1. One thing I like about this apartment in particular is that the rooms are very evenly sized. There's not really a larger room. They all are very similar. We'll have the same furnishings. As we go in, this one has the closet on the left. Let's get that open so you can see one of the regular closets here. So just a regular closet. As we go in, you can see there will always be the desk and chair, dresser, and bookshelf. We'll take a look at those as we go through the other rooms as well. And a full-size bed. So behind us here is the church, which is on Oak Ave. So we are right in the middle of Collegetown, but we are in a quieter spot. So we're away from the street. So I think that's nice. You don't really get as much street noise. It is pretty quiet back here. Room 2 is the next room. So we're going in. And you can see on this one, the closet is on our right. Over here, same size. You see the bookshelf a little better over on this one. And again, that church for our nice quiet neighbor next door. You can move furniture around wherever you like within an apartment. Let's go into the next room. Room 3, so we're across from the living room space now. So room 3 will have the closet on the left again. Same deal with the furnishings. There's another closet. Let's go peek out the window over here. So really, as you're looking through the bedrooms in this one, you're kind of getting an idea of where are ways you can set up the furniture within the apartment, within your room. Let's go see the next room. This is room 4, so we're across from the living room. Another closet on the left. And closet over there. And you can see here, there's the deadbolt lock. So all of the bedrooms will have a deadbolt lock. You also have a deadbolt lock for your apartment door. You'll have a key tag to enter into the building. Here is the window over here. And you'll also have a mailbox key. So there's one mailbox for the apartment. You each will have your own room keys. As we go across from the living room, let's go into room 5. This is the last bedroom. A couple differences in this room. Room 5 is the only bedroom that faces to the east. Remember, east is the morning sun, so this will be the room that gets the most sunlight in the morning. So you want to keep that in mind as you're choosing rooms within the apartment. And let's take a look. This one has the largest closet. So you can see this closet does go a little wider than the other ones. So room 5 has that east view and the larger closet. Same furnishings. And you can see here in the apartment. So that gives you a look of Collegetown Court 205. Again, this is a 5-floor elevator building here at 208 Dryden Road. We're on the 2nd floor. We have this layout of apartment on 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're on floor 2 right here at Collegetown Court. And of course, from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, we're located just 1 block from campus here in central Collegetown.